Hey guys, what's up? It is Mal and I am back with a video. Today's video is very exciting because I have some new hair that I'm going to be trying out for you guys, and I just got it in the mail. It is from a company called NiaWigs. So NiaWigs was kind enough to send me this unit to try and show you guys. So I'm going to be trying this on, and I also have a discount code where you guys can save some money. If you end up liking it just as much as I will, then you also can purchase it and get it for a discount. So today we're going to be trying this on. I'm going to open it up, show you guys, and I'm also going to show you the process of how I put it on, and you guys can just kind of get glam with me and see what you think of this U-part wig. If you want to see my hair all done with this guy on, then keep watching. Now, if you guys don't know what a U-part wig is, a U-part wig is amazing for somebody who wants to have a little bit of their hair left out at the front and sides. It gives a very natural look, and it also is super easy to apply. It's great for someone with shorter hair, or if you just want to switch up your look and not have to worry about, you know, applying a lace front or putting in clip-in extensions or paying, you know, a lot of money to get a weave or microlinks or any of the other extension styles installed. So I've done U-parts. I have another video that I posted on how I made a U-part out of one of my lace front wigs, but this one already is made for me, of course, so I'm really excited to put it on for you guys. Okay guys, so I got the package just like this. It came really quickly, actually. It took about a week or so for shipping. On the back it says, "We live only to discover beauty, all else is a form of waiting." It's like a cute little quote they have at the back. I'm gonna open this box up to show you guys exactly how it came. So it has this outer casing. Okay, so I guess their slogan is "Discover Beauty, NiaWigs." I like this gold and black packaging, very cute. I'm gonna open it like so. So right off the bat, it comes with a brush for the wig, which is great. The ones that are hard brushes that are spaced out like this, they're amazing for extensions. And I love the pink color. I don't know if they knew my favorite color is pink, but I'm definitely gonna be loving this brush. And it also came with this beautiful silk bag. So the wig is inside of here. I'm just gonna pop this down. The wig is inside of here. On the back of the bag, it also has their slogan and then N for NiaWig. And they have stuffed the wig. We're just gonna take that out. So this is how she looks. The hair is feeling very soft for my first impression feeling it. It feels soft, feels silky. I think my natural hair is gonna blend really nicely with this. My natural hair is a little bit light at the ends, but I think this is gonna match up really well because it is a natural color. It's not completely black, so I'm glad that I got this shade because I think it's gonna match really well. And I'm gonna do a close-up to show you guys exactly what the wig specs look like, but so far it feels really nice.
I'm loving how many combs this wig has on the inside. We have about 6 combs in total, 3 at the top, 2 at the sides, and 1 at the back. It also has an adjustable band, so you can tighten the wig and make it a little bit more snug.
Okay loves, so I'm actually going to insert a clip so you can see what my natural curly hair looks like when it's not wet. I did just wash my hair because I'm going to be straightening the top kind of portion and a little bit along the sides so that I can place this on and have it look really natural. I'm going to go to my bathroom, so I'm going to take you with me so you guys can see exactly how I do it. I'm excited to put this on for you guys, and I'm excited to have straight hair with barely having to do anything. I love the way a U-part looks at the front because it looks like it's just your hair. So anyway, let's go put this on. I'm going to show you guys how I do it, and yeah. Okay, so we're in my bathroom. I am just parting my hair down the middle. When you order the wig, you can specify if you want middle part, side part, whatever. So I'm just parting my hair down the middle. The rest of this clip is just going to be like voiceover because I find it's easier to just do it without talking, so hopefully you guys don't mind that. But yeah, I'm just showing you guys exactly how I'm about to put it on, and let's do it.
Please excuse my voice, you guys, I'm not feeling well, but anyway, what I'm doing right now is just sectioning out some hair so that it can cover the top of the U part. I left about 1.5 inches on each side from my middle part, and then about 1/2 inch from the back. I'm just making sure that it's a nice clean straight line, just because I personally find that makes it look a little better. And then once I've done that, I'm just showing you guys here how much I've left out. Once I've done that, I'm just throwing my hair in a quick braid. To have the wig laying flat, you honestly should do at least 2 braids and then pin it, but I was being lazy and it honestly still looked fine. I'm gonna throw the wig on now and adjust the combs at the back and sides, and this is optional. I decided to leave a little bit of hair out at the sides just to help the wig blend and look even more like it's growing from my scalp, honey.
If you guys can see these bands here, we want to cut these off, but I put the wig on with them just because I wanted to see exactly how it was going to look first. You could take it off to do this, but I'm going to just do it while it's on my head. Just going to really delicately, without cutting any of my hair, cut these off. This is why they have these combs at the top, so that you can insert the wig nice and close here. So I'm now taking these combs right at the top here and pushing them into my hair. Perfect. So I'm going to specifically work on the leave out at the front here, and I'm going to blow dry it.
Before I straighten my hair, I always blow dry it as straight as I can first. So I sprayed a bit of heat protector. I was using the Got To Be heat protector, and then I'm taking medium to small size sections and using a brown brush and just going over each section of my hair really diligently with the blow dryer. This helps it to look a lot more straight and just silky smooth. So I'm going to do that across my whole head, and once I'm finished, I will straighten it.
Okay, so blow drying is done. I'm now going to go in and straighten this part of my hair, and I'll probably pass the straightener over the ends of the wig just once or so, just to give it a little bit more of a straight look, because there's a slight like flip in it just because it's been sitting in the package. I already feel like this looks so good. Obviously you can see the ends of my hair, like I said, are a bit lighter, but I think if anything it kind of looks natural. I don't know, it doesn't bother me, especially because my root matches the wig really well. So I'm gonna go ahead and straighten the little perimeter that I left out along with the top of my hair, and yeah, then I'll come back and give you guys my final thoughts on this beautiful 16-inch wig from NiaWigs.
A tip that I would give you guys for straightening your hair is to use a fine-tooth comb behind your straightener. That way it gets all the tiny little small kinks out of your hair, and you won't have to pass the iron over your natural hair quite as many times. So I'm just going in, straightening all the little sections, all the little pieces at the front, and then working my way up to the top and doing quite small sections to make sure that it all looks super perfect. The more that I finished this hair, the more that I was feeling myself. What do you guys think so far? I just felt like it looked so good, and I honestly usually go for a longer length, but this 16-inch had me feeling just marvelous, honey. When I was complete with the straightening process of my own hair, I just ran the iron over the wig a few times to ensure that it looked nice and straight and didn't have any waves or kinks in it as well. And I did also add just like a touch of serum to my hair just to give it some shine, and that was really it, you guys. This is the look.
So this is the finished result after I've applied my wig from NiaWigs. I actually really love how easy and simple this was to install, and I think it looks so good. It feels very soft. I can't stop touching it and running my fingers through it. I mentioned that my hair is a touch lighter than the wig, but I actually really don't mind. It kind of looks like I just have some highlights at the front. So I really love it. I'm going to do a little spin. So yes, as mentioned, I absolutely love this unit. I think it's so cute. This is the 16-inch straight U-part wig. I got a middle part because that's how I prefer to part my hair. You can also get a side part, left or right, whatever you prefer. And the hair is 100% human hair, and you can tell it feels amazing. So to finish off this video, I just wanted to thank all of you guys for watching and supporting. I truly appreciate it, and your support helps me to make more content and more videos. Also, thank you to NiaWigs for this bomb hair. This is going to be my new summer look. I absolutely love it. So I am really happy that I was able to try this out. Don't forget to use my discount code to save you 15 bucks. If you want to order anything from their site, it will save you money. Lastly, my beautiful robe is from Designs by Des. She is a designer, and she sent me a beautiful luxe box that I will be reviewing. So I will link where you can get this bomb robe. I've been wearing it all day, literally don't even want to put clothes on because it's so comfy. So I will link that down below as well, so you guys know where you can get that and pick it up. Anyway, I hope you guys take care and enjoy the rest of your day. Mwah. Thanks for watching. Bye.